The Operative KPIs tool is a public user interface implemented and used by the LSP team to monitor monthly the pilot's progress. By clicking on the Start, we will be redirected to the home page where we can visualize an overview of the Gatekeeper large-scale pilot and the different phases of the project. In the different pages that compose the tool, users can interact with the different charts and other visual components. The first page that we find is the pilot's overview, which offers basic information of the pilots involved in the Gatekeeper project and the rules implemented by each of them. Then the next one is the preparation phase, which includes the status of ethical approvals, technology acquisition, study protocols, and co-creation workshops conducted. As we can see, by clicking on the pilots and rules filters, the information will be updated according to the selection. On the deployment phase, it presents the Gatekeeper platform integration, the devices installed, the training sessions conducted, and the confirmed facilities. And also, by clicking on the filters, we can see the information by pilot and route. The last page corresponds to the current phase in the Gatekeeper project, the running phase. And here it is presented the progress of the pilot's recruitment and the user's classification per complexity and type, which offers at this moment very valuable information to understand the status of the project. Finally, it has been integrated an overview of the Gatekeeper AI models to be used in its pilot and the status of the implementation phases.